Pico the Parrot loved flying high above the sparkling jungle river, feeling the warm breeze beneath his wings. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in. The river grew wild, and a tiny baby turtle was stranded on a slippery rock. Pico's wings trembled, but he swooped down to help. The water roared loudly around them. Thinking quickly, Pico used jungle vines and pulled with all his strength until the turtle reached the shore. As the rain stopped, a rainbow appeared. Pico felt his heart soar higher than ever before. "Good night, jungle," he whispered softly.